Ciao a tutti, I'm Chef Francesco Cavazzina. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare something special for this holiday season. So we will be doing Vanilla Chantilly cream for Pandoro. Start beating the eggs with the custard sugar. Then add the corn flour. This will make the sauce more thicker. In the same time, add the milk in a saucepan and add the vanilla beans. Preheat the milk and add the mixture, then whisk for 2 minutes. When it's ready, cover with a cling film and cool down. Now mix the whipping cream with ice sugar in the mixer. When it's ready, mix both creams together. Now slice the Pandoro into the slices. Then start to fill with chantilly cream. And decorate with berries. In the end, dust with ice sugar. Now our simple Pandoro with the chantilly cream is ready. Enjoy and happy holidays!